This was super cool. What we was doing here was doing a segmentation experiment to see what would happen because we were experimenting with access ports and trunk ports and to see how they would interact with a network if we cut it and turned it off and things like that. So what you're looking at here, we got a switch. Of course, you always need that to be able to speak to the DNS. Then you got a router. You always need that as well. Then of course, you always need your PCs because where you want to send and receive your packages from. So let's bust right into it. Why would you want Valan in your network? It makes things more secure. And let's just start off that VAN stands for, oh my bad. Let's just start off that VAN stands for virtual local area network logic network. It uses a logical segment, my bad, a logical segment, a network into operating broadcast domains, and it connects some physical physical switches, some physical switches. It increases performance, reduces the unnecessary broadband traffic. It organizes it on the different floors, so, and it organizes it on different floors. It needs a router, and it uses a layer 3 switch. My bad. The difference between a access port and a trunk port. So first, instead of just doing both of them, we're just going to start off with one. And we're going to use our access port first. Access port, the purpose is wireless connectivity. The layer is 2 or 3. It's used for Wi-Fi clients. The traffic type is wireless. The trunk purpose is LAN tracking, and trunk port uses layer 2 for switch to switch or switch to router. Tagged Ethernet 802.10. That was just a whole bunch of learning right there. The purpose of a sub interface on a router is to allow a single physical interface to handle multiple logical networks, separate traffic, logical, cost-effective, and logical segmentation. And why is this important? Because just like when you're using a WAAPT enterprise, and when you're having different floors, and when you're dealing with different people, you want to create different subnets because you don't want just everybody just on one network because that's too much traffic. The security is too high, and it can be too many breaches. So, and this was another cool one.